This is the video for warm-up number 8-7. And during this warm-up, we're going to be reflecting each figure over the given line of reflection. Our first one asks us to reflect triangle ABC over the line y equals 2/3 x plus 1. So first of all, we need to graph that. So our y-intercept is plus 1. Our slope is 2/3. We're going to go up 2, right 3. Okay, once we've gone up 2, right 3, then we can go down 2 and left 3. Now we need to look at the slope of the line that's going to be perpendicular to the line of reflection. So remember last time we learned that if this one has a slope of 2/3, we want to use the opposite reciprocal slope to reflect this figure over this line. So the opposite reciprocal of 2/3 is going to be negative 3/2. So we're going to start with A. If I look at A, I'm going to go up 3 and left 2. That gives us our negative 3/2. Even though the 3 is positive, the 2 is negative. So I still have 3 over negative 2. I did that one time, so I'm going to do it one more time then on the other side. So we're going to go up 3 and left 2. This is A prime right there. So for B, we're going to go up 3, left 2. We did that once. We're going to do it again. Up 3, left 2. That is our B prime. And for C prime, we're going to go up 3, left 2, up 3, left 2. We did that twice. We're going to do it twice on the other side. Up 3, left 2, up 3, left 2. And that is our C prime. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and connect the vertices of the image. So we have reflected triangle ABC over the line 2/3 x plus 1, and triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the image. Okay, on number 2, this time we're going to reflect over the line of reflection, which is x equals negative 2. That is a vertical line through negative 2 on the x-axis. So we're going to start with D. D is 1 away, and it's a horizontal line, so we're just going to go one more this direction. So D prime. A is 1 away. There's our A prime. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've taken quadrilateral ABCD and reflected it across x equals negative 2. And now we have quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. And there's number 2. Okay, on number 3, we are going to reflect quadrilateral ABCD across the equation y equals negative 4x minus 2. So first of all, we need to graph this. Negative 2 is our y-intercept. Start there at negative 2. This is negative 4 over 1. So we're going to go down 4 and right 1. Or we can go up 4 and left 1. We need to use the opposite reciprocal slope. This one is negative 4 over 1. Opposite would make it positive, and 4 over 1, the reciprocal is 1/4. So we're going to use the slope 1/4 to help us reflect quadrilateral ABCD over this line. So we're going to go down, so we'll start with A. We're going to go down 1, left 4. That's a -1 over a -4. And remember, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So even though we go down and left, we still have a positive slope there. We did that one time, so we're going to do it again. Down 1, left 4. And this is our A prime. Okay, for B, we're going to down 1, left 4, and then do it again. So we do that twice. We're going to do it twice on the other side. There's our B prime. So for C prime, down 1. We did do it twice there, so we have to do it twice again on the other side. There's our C prime, and then D prime. Down 1, left 4. We did it once, so down 1, left 4. And there's D prime. And then we need to get our straight edge. And we have rotated quadrilateral we've reflected quadrilateral ABCD over the line y equals -4x minus 2. And there's our image. Okay, our last one is y equals -x minus 1. We first of all need to graph this line. So we're going to start at -1. My slope is -1 over 1. So we're going to go down 1, right 1, or up 1, left 1. We need to use the opposite reciprocal slope of -1 over 1. So the opposite, if this is negative, that means this one's going to be positive. And then the reciprocal 1 over 1 is still 1 over 1. So we're going to use positive 1 over 1 to help reflect triangle ABC over this line right there. So we're going to go ahead and start with A. So we're going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. We did it twice. We're going to do it again. 1, 2. And there's A prime. For B, we go 1, 2, and a half. So we need to do it again. Finish up the other half, and then 1, 2. And we have B prime. C prime, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's C prime. And that is triangle ABC reflected over y equals -x minus 1. And it gives us the image, triangle A prime, B prime, C prime.